Today let's learn how to sign up for Grindr. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video of how to guide. In this video I'm going to show you the easy process of signing up for Grindr. If you also want to create your account for Grindr, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Now to sign up for Grindr, you will need to first download the application of Grindr, which is this application right here. Once you download this application, you can open it up. Once you open up the app, it's going to take you to the login section. To sign up, you can tap on the sign up option on the top right. From here, firstly, you need to enter in your date of birth because you need to be at least 18 to use Grindr. Once you type in your date of birth, it's going to take you to a section of creating a password. Now you can either sign up using your email address, your Facebook account, or your Google account. Sometimes if you sign up using your email address, it may give you an error message. So first of all, you can try signing up by typing in your email address in the first box, creating a password in the second box, and reconfirming your password in the third one. If this process does not work for you and you have an error message, what you can do in this case is either sign up using Facebook or your Google account. This way you won't get any error message and you don't even need to create a password. So you can tap on your Facebook or Google and select your account, and your account will be successfully created. And there you go, as easy as that, your Grindr account now has been successfully created. So that was the process. I hope you guys understood and found this video helpful. If this video did help you out, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up.